Alright, so in this video I'll be doing a review on this propane torch I got from Amazon. Just going to do a box opening real quick, see if we need to put anything together, and kind of go from there. So, okay, so it comes with a starter and the actual torch. So there's no instructions. It's probably pretty self-explanatory. Connect this up to your propane, and then turn it on, and then that's your flamer. This is your gas valve control right here. Open, close. Right now it's in the fully closed position, and they give you a nice looks like a 8-foot cord, or maybe even 10 feet. Pretty long. Alright, so let's hook this up to a propane tank and go out there and spray some weeds. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this on here. So take out the caps. And this is going to be metal going into metal, so we're going to use some Teflon tape. Just a couple wraparounds. That should be good. Alright, so this is going to be reverse threaded, so you're just going to have to spin it in the opposite way. And take a crescent wrench or the appropriate size wrench and tighten it up. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this up a little bit. Then we're going to loosen up the propane tank. We can hear it coming out, and that's how you make it really come out. Alright, so pretty easy to light. Alright, I'm going to turn this up a little bit. Let's go ahead and try it out in some weeds. Lights them right up. I'm going to turn it off. Let's just go ahead and tighten this up and see if it turns off all the way. And it does. So initial reviews or thoughts. It lights up pretty fast. It was easy to assemble. You didn't have to do anything really. Just attach it to the propane tank, and it was easy to light, which was my concern. Generally, these things sometimes they just take a while to light, and then it's kind of dangerous when you have gas going everywhere and you can't get it lit. So A+ on that. I'll continue to monitor it, and then I'll leave a comment, you know, a month or two down the road. We have a lot of plans for this, so I'll get some more video of that later on throughout my channel. Just go ahead and subscribe if you want to see that kind of stuff. We're gonna be actually burning some boards to seal them up so we can put them on the side of our barn. So alright, well, thanks for watching, and if you learned anything from this video, go ahead and like and subscribe.